Welcome back to Woodpecker Quiz. Today's challenge is guess the logo by its sound. Listen carefully, trust your instincts, and see how many brands you can recognize using sound alone. Before we start, hit like, subscribe to Woodpecker Quiz, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new challenge. Trust your instincts, don't overthink, and let's begin. Listen carefully. What logo do you think this sound belongs to? Yes, Super Mario. You just heard a sound. Can you name the logo in time? You nailed it, TikTok. Another sound is playing now. Which logo is it? Correct, Minecraft. Memory challenge. Pay close attention and remember where everyone's standing. You got all them in your mind? Where is the creeper located? Yes, creeper at the second position. A new sound just played. Which logo is it? You got it? McDonald's. Listen again. Do you recognize this logo by sound? Yes, Netflix. Listen again. What's your guess? That's right, Spotify. Which one is the real Roblox logo? Yes, it's the first one. Any idea? Which logo is it? Correct, PlayStation. Can you guess this one? Which logo is it? Nailed it, Xbox. Can you guess this one? What logo does it belong to? Yes, Marvel Studios. Look super close. Can you catch all three differences before the time's up? And there they are. You find them. Another sound just played. What's your answer? That's DreamWorks Animation. Which logo is this? What's your answer? Correct, Disney. A new sound. Make your guess. Yes, Pepsi. Sound playing now. Which logo is it? That's Ferrari. Time for a visual challenge. Look carefully. Where is the car located? Boom! Let's check the answer. The answer is here. Can you identify it? That's Cocomelon. Listen closely. What logo do you hear? Yes, Nokia. Which logo is this sound from? Correct. Among Us. A quick sound just played. What's your guess? That's Snapchat. New sound. Which logo is it? Yes, Samsung. Decision time. Would you rather choose iPhone or Samsung? Can you recognize it? Yeah. Correct, Yahoo. Can you recognize it? Correct! Yahoo! Listen again. Which logo is this? That's Hyundai. A sound just played. Name the logo. Yes, Viber. New sound. What's your guess? Correct. Pokemon Go? Think carefully before answering. Which one is the odd one out? Another sound just played. Which logo is it? That's Duolingo. Listen closely. Can you name this logo? Yes, Porsche. A sound just finished. What's your answer? Correct. Kit Kat. Quick choice question. Would you rather choose YouTube or TikTok? Listen to this sound. Which logo does it belong to? That's Warner Brothers. Any idea? Which logo does it belong to? Yes, Skype. Another sound is playing. Which logo is it? You got it, Lay's. Look carefully at the screen. Can you find the Lay's snack? New sound. What logo is this? Correct! Taco Bell. Listen closely. Which logo do you hear? That's Oreo. A sound just played. What's your guess? Yes, Tinder. One last sound. Which logo is it? Got your answer? Drop it down below. Woodpecker, check it out soon. Drop your answers in the comments and tell us how many sounds you guessed correctly. If you made it to the end, hit the like button and subscribe to Woodpecker for more fun quizzes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next challenge.